the infinite rabbit hole. We think we understand reality, but have we only scratched the surface of the quantum realm? What if we could peel back the layers of the universe to reveal the infinite possibilities hiding beneath the surface? My research into the endless potential of existence itself has led me down a path that challenges everything I thought I knew. I met with leading experts who are unraveling the mysteries of parallel worlds, manipulating time, and traversing unseen dimensions. Join me as I explore the farthest reaches of reality to discover what lies beyond the limits of our ordinary perception. The secrets I uncover may unlock the gateway to infinite worlds that have existed all along, hidden in plain sight. Worlds that our consciousness could open the door to, if only we have the key. Fields of infinity. Our understanding of infinity is fundamentally shifting with the radical new discoveries coming out of quantum physics. According to superstring theory, the universe we inhabit is but one of an infinite number, stretching out like shimmering beads on a never-ending string. Imagine the infinite versions of reality existing side by side in the quantum foam that makes up the fabric of the cosmos. Within our own universe, infinity also emerges. Quantum field theory states that every point in space and time consists of an endless field of energy, vanishingly small but constantly fluctuating particles popping into and out of existence. An infinite ocean of quantum potentiality fills the nothingness, waiting to be manifested. Worlds within worlds. The mysteries multiply. Perhaps most staggering are concepts like Hugh Everett's many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, which suggests quantum effects are constantly causing reality to split into alternative parallel worlds as possibilities play out. Essentially, new universes spiral out infinitely from every quantum event, however minor. Stranger still is Lanz's biocentrism, proposing that time and space do not actually exist outside human perception. Could there be an endless number of realities happening simultaneously, invisible to us in our limited physical form? If so, infinity is not some distant horizon, but an ever-present aspect woven into the hidden cosmic architecture, consciousness and bound. But what does this dance of infinity have to do with us? Perhaps more than we realize. The eternal source we seek, the sacred answers that feel tantalizingly out of reach, could lie in the depths of consciousness itself. Erwin Schrödinger, father of quantum physics, dared propose that consciousness is a singular, indivisible entity that exists outside the bounds of space and time. Might we find portals to the infinite quantum sea somewhere in the spark of awareness we carry within? Could the fountain of creativity, intuition, and inspiration we call the subconscious connect us to grander realities? Awakening infinity within. Carl Jung's collective unconscious concept suggests each mind is merely a branch, budding from a timeless universal intelligence underlying all existence. Mystics speak of tapping into a transcendent domain of pure potentiality, echoing the quantum vacuum, populated by archetypes linking us to realities beyond. Hypnosis and meditation perhaps allow us to plunge deeper into this invisible realm. So could hypnotic progression techniques also provide passages to a higher self with access to other planes of existence outside space-time? Might trance states unveil portals to parallel worlds and fantastical timelines feeding the mythology of the collective psyche? Can consciousness traverse dimensions? And if so, how do we unlock this capability? Passageways in consciousness. A few visionary pioneers are beginning to explore this frontier. At the Monroe Institute, subjects used sound wave meditation to access what they described as literal parallel worlds. After resonating at certain frequencies, they found their consciousness transported into the bodies of identical counterparts on alternate versions of Earth they dubbed Earth 2 and Earth 3, with histories diverging from remembered events. Another experiment developed quantum viewing technology based on the principles of superposition. Subjects peer into infinity mirrors that trigger heightened brain frequencies, activating untapped areas. Participants have reported interacting with alien beings, witnessing future scenes from places they've never visited, even watching themselves in parallel lives. But do these reflected worlds have physical existence or only in the mind's eye? Living quantum infinity, while skeptics abound, am left to wonder, could we be on the verge of redefining the real? If disciplined consciousness expansion practices allow us to tap into the well of infinity described by quantum theory, we may become empowered to cross boundaries into fabulous new horizons of reality. Ad astra per meditatio mentis. To the stars through meditation of mind. Imagine what experiencing life through a lens of quantum infinity would mean. Would be unchained from linear thinking and one-dimensional existence, able to play freely in the multi-dimensional quantum playground where space and time lose meaning. Perhaps would finally grasp our eternal nature, untouched by any one fleeting reality, and maybe would ultimately unlock the life-changing potential that comes from touching infinite possibility. Awakening to infinity, the awakening has begun. Researchers worldwide are investigating consciousness and its quantum ties, demonstrating science and spirituality inevitably intertwine in the quantum web that connects us all. Powerful global meditations are already producing evidence of control timeline jumping, and this is only the beginning. We're standing on the shore of a vast and endless ocean, unable to even conceive what lies over the horizon. Yet I now know the real adventure doesn't lie in some far-off utopian future, but right here, right now. Quantum physics shows us that infinity is all around us, woven into the space between our thoughts. Whispering tantalizing hints from alternate worlds just a meditative breath away. As our understanding of consciousness expands, so too may our experience of reality, until the very borders of the universe no longer bind us. And perhaps then, like a quantum butterfly beating its wings somewhere in the multiverse, each small choice we make could open doors to infinite worlds waiting to be born.